Across much of Europe and the UK, COVID-19 cases are skyrocketing, with new restrictions being put in place to slow the spread. In the US, new cases hit record levels. Public health officials fear in-person voting in the presidential election could further spread the virus, and there are long lines for testing in hard-hit states like Wisconsin. Hospitalizations are also rising, stretching resources to the max in some areas.
We've had significant spikes to the point that our hospital capacity is really tapped. We're probably at the end of our rope there.
Public health officials are particularly worried about vulnerable seniors in nursing homes.
We're concerned that we're going to see spread among other long-term care facilities. We've seen it before.
On the campaign trail, President Trump continues to downplay the pandemic, while the White House tries to clean up comments from Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, who on Sunday appeared to say the Trump administration has given up on controlling the pandemic.
We're going to defeat the virus. We're not going to control it. We will try to contain it as best we can. And if you look at full context of what I was talking about is we need to make sure that we have therapeutics and vaccines.
There are expectations a vaccine could be approved in the U.S. by November or December, but widespread use remains months away.
So the amount of doses that will be available in December will not certainly be enough to vaccinate everybody. You'll have to wait several months into 2021.
And another outbreak has hit the upper levels of the Trump administration. Vice President Mike Pence's chief of staff and a handful of other staffers have tested positive for COVID-19. Pence and his wife have so far tested negative. He will continue to travel to campaign events despite concerns he could potentially spread the virus. Ignoring concerns from public health officials, President Trump continues to hold large in-person rallies with little social distancing and few masks. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Bethesda, Maryland.